Robin, are investors just not fazed at all by the SEC decision?
Hi, these are the swings and roundabouts of a currency that is not regulated in any country in the world. It's not regulated by any government. We also see like major swings, up 11%, down 15%, down 19%. And sometimes when you're writing a story, that makes it very difficult, because when you start out writing the story, it's up 5%, and then by the time you're done writing the story, it's down 3%. So it is a fairly volatile currency, being digital, etc. And I think investors are just looking at it as more of a risk management tool. If you see in China what happens, there are suspicions that people use it to get money out of the country, capital outflows. So I'm not sure that this decision, let's not forget the case is about 4 years of the making. So I'm not sure that it'll have a huge effect on people who really need the currency, the digital currency, for the purposes that they do.
To take Bitcoin to the next step, what are the challenges? What are the boxes that need to be ticked? We've got a great piece, a Ganguly piece on the Bloomberg this morning, talking about the fact that the Bitcoin teams have got to think much more outside the box in making that happen. So where would that take them?
Yeah, that's a very informative piece that talks about getting pension funds to invest in them. Says the IRS does recognize Bitcoin as an asset class. However, if you look at China, which accounts for a huge percentage of trades in the currency, accounts for a huge percentage of demand. Even China is looking down to crack down heavily on the currency. Today, this morning, late last night, we had a newspaper citing a senior PBOC official saying that, the government should think about cracking down, saying that they had found some cases of money laundering. This is all alleged, suspected / reported. But, if China does indeed decide to crack down a lot on Bitcoin, then it could have some effect. But long term, I'm not really seeing that the currency dying out or anything of that sort. As long as there is demand, as long as countries like China have capital curbs which stop you from taking out money, currencies like Bitcoin will stay. And if as the Gadfly commentary suggests, there's more widespread in the US, then it'll probably be there for a long time.